that's cool.
Oh, look at you! I gotta practice. Break that thing off. Hey guys, out here in Sargents. Thought I'd throw together a little bit of single track action that we ran into that day. We were out here for about, I don't know, 40 miles, I guess. Not all of that was single track, but a good portion of it was. And a good portion of it was super technical single track. Now this video is from the end of the day. It was one of the rare times where we had something that you could actually ride a little bit faster on. With that being said, there was still quite a bit of super off-camber stuff that tended to be a little bit tricky with zero water left and being the end of the day. I personally super tired this day. But it's beautiful out here. If you've never been to Sargents, check it out. Now, the guy at the gas station was very friendly, very forthcoming with information. And then, hey, it's all super fast and flowy. Pretty good chance you'll hit third, fourth, fifth gear out there. Well, that was an outright lie. Pretty sure the guy's trying to keep away out-of-towners from ever coming back to Sargents, but it will take more than that because this place is awesome. And if you're in Colorado or really close, definitely check this place out. It's got a lot of woodsy single track, a lot of really technical single track too if you're into that kind of thing, which I think we are. I am. In the middle of it, most of the time, I'm like, nah, geez, just make this end, or I hate rocks, or swearing, or what have you. But a lot of this video, I'll just throw 15 minutes in of some of the more quicker stuff that we did, and I'll probably cut out some of the parts where we stop and BS or wait for each other. And if you're lucky or unlucky, as it were, I'll probably chime in here with some wisdom as we progress through this video. can hear Tommy back there twisting on that throttle, trying to motivate me to go faster. I want to oblige him, but I don't think I do. This was the part of the trail where it really started to get off camber. The video doesn't ever do it justice, but it's very off camber. In fact, this video is doing it justice, which means it's worse than it looks. But it was pretty tricky. And again, it's the end of the day. I'm for sure out of water by now, and my brain's starting to get desperate. Oh, I should mention, that's Ethan up there. He's got a YouTube channel. It's Cool Like Colorado. You should check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below. Also with us is Ride with Will. I'll leave a link for him too. You don't see much in this video because he's in the back, but he is putting out some really quality content, and his channel is going to grow. I know it is, just based off of how much time and effort he puts into it. And he's makes some really good videos.
Yeah, I'm out. Hurry before Will sees you. He doesn't like exposure.
Sad cloud mode. You good? Tired? Take a break, dude. I am so out of water right now. Nice and easy.
So the off-camber stuff continues for quite a while, and you just got to be super gentle on that throttle for the most part, because if you twist a little too much, she will scoot out from underneath you pretty easy. This is very dry dirt. Haven't seen some rain up. Well, it doesn't even matter if it rains. The next day it's dry again. We are in the desert, so it is what it is.
What the fuck? Oh my God.
Water? water?
Please.
Done.
Let me just drink right out of those. You good with that?
You good?
I'm good for like a mile.
Zip around the corner.
This side hill stuff's crazy. Super off camber side hill.
I know. That makes me nervous back there, even though you don't fall very far. But yeah, it's still like.
I'm more nervous about like, oh, I'm gonna have to pick the bike up.
So like I said before, this is some still pretty off cambery, and it's not the fear of falling that bothers me more than the fear of having to pick the bike up after I do fall. I'm tired, and I'm pretty sure picking the bike up would have done me in. So not riding real fast here. I'm for sure not Teddy Blazouziak. On my best day, I am like a G level rider. So, you know, bear that in mind. Tried to drag that knee like Valentino Rossi around that corner. It was a terrible choice on rocks. Well, so now that I've picked myself up from that disaster, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. There should be some more videos coming out of our Sargents trip. We were out here all day, like I said, about 40 miles, not all of which was single track, but a lot of it was, and most of it's super technical, gnarly stuff with me swearing and crashing and log jumping, and it's actually pretty cool. But again, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. For sure, subscribe, hit that bell button, all that nonsense. Thumbs ups are cool, and I really appreciate it anytime you guys watch my dumb videos. So again, thank you, and we'll see you next time.
I need some electrolytes from that store bad.
They have ice cream in there too.